Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am so excited for Christmas and I can't wait to share my new tutorials with you. Today I'm starting out with the Grinch face paint and I'm just loading a green gradient split cake on my brush, and I'm using that dark green as an outline to the whole design. Next up, I'm going to grab a finger dauber and I'm just going to fill in all those little gaps with a nice bright green because I want him almost glowing. Now coming in with a filbert brush with some black on it, I'm just going to put a little nose high up on the bridge of his nose. And then I'm going to take a round number 4 with black and just outline the entire design. And I apologize if the angle is a little off here. I did allow my model to be nice and relaxed so he was comfortable while I painted him. So I apologize if that affects the quality of the tutorial. Next, I'm going to draw a sharp angle through those eyebrows and make him look nice and fluffy, and also give him some face lines. Now I'm coming in with that same finger dauber with that same bright green and just filling in those eyes. Next, I'm coming in with some green. You can poof it all over the face if you want, but I just wanted it in isolated areas on certain parts of the face. I just wanted it to seem like he was glowing, very much like the movie. And lastly, we're just coming in with some highlights. And that is it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you can use it on your holiday boards. If you do, feel free to tag me. I would love to see it, and I would love to feature you on my Instagram stories. Thanks again for watching. I will see you guys next time.